And welcome back. Today we're going to be unboxing something a little bit different, maybe not too terribly exciting for most people. But I definitely needed some more external storage. So I looked around at some different options. I definitely know I wanted more than 4 terabytes, but I also didn't want to spend too terribly much. What I ended up settling on was the Western Digital MyBook, 6 terabytes. It's a single drive configuration. They do have a dual drive configuration, although that does add at least about $100 extra to the price. The nice part, again, 6 terabytes of storage, fairly cheap. There are much more expensive configurations out there. I was looking at some 12 terabyte, some 8 terabyte, and 6 terabyte just seemed to be the best price to storage ratio for what I was looking for. So again, nothing too terribly crazy today, just an external hard drive. So we'll go ahead and take a look at the Western Digital MyBook 6 terabyte. So once you got the box open, inside is basically just going to be a couple of plastic holders, a booklet, and then the unit itself, which is wrapped in annoying plastic. Pretty much anything that's wrapped in this plastic tells you that it's going to be a fingerprint magnet for the most part. And here's the enclosure itself. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, already collecting fingerprints, even though I just opened it. So from the front profile, nothing terribly crazy. It's a glossy black. Around the back, we've got our DC in and our super speed USB 3.0 connection. See if I can get that to focus a little more. There we go. And a Kensington lock. Again, so no frills, plenty of ventilation. Nothing crazy. Go ahead and see what else we got in the box here. Most likely just the power and USB cords. Power adapter and USB 3.0 cord. Nothing crazy. That's a quick one. Mainly going to be used for storing assets for any of the games I'm developing and things like that. Any of my business assets that I need to protect. So just another nice little storage option. Maybe I'll do a review on it at some point. I don't know. Doing a review on a hard drive just doesn't seem all that exciting. But anyway, so that's the Western Digital MyBook 6 terabyte drive. I'll also provide links in the description to where you can order it on Amazon and things like that. So anyway, until next time, have fun.